Moving on, India's Minister of State for Information and Technology, Dr. L. Murugan, held a meeting with Director of the Busan Film Commission, Kang Sung-kyu, on the sidelines of the Busan International Film Festival on Tuesday. Well, the discussions focused on India's prospective membership of AFC-NET and avenues of collaboration with the Busan Asian Film School, a step that promises to strengthen cinematic ties and creative partnerships between India and Korea. NTD India's Jaya Sinha joins us for more from Seoul, South Korea. Well, Jaya, Minister of State Dr. L. Murugan held a meeting with the director of the Busan Film Commission yesterday. Give us the details.
Definitely. He held a meeting with Busan Film Commission yesterday. We had a roundtable with Busan Film Commission and other senior dignitaries and with the industry leaders yesterday. And today they had a meeting, very important meeting here at Seoul. It's here at the Parliament with the members of Cultural Committee. Lepakshi, we're trying to understand here because it's a Busan International Film Festival where India this time is participating with their strongest ever contingent with more than 10 films in various segments. And also there's serious delegation level talks are also going between how India and Korea can improve their cooperation and can move forward towards more co-productions. And that's why in this time, at the 30th edition of Busan International Film Festival, India is participating with a high-level delegation led by Minister of State Dr. L. Murugan. So what we are having here, we're having serious delegation-level talks on how that both countries can have stronger ties when you talk about cinema, culture. India is showcasing its full strength here with more than 10 films participating at Busan International Film Festival, and also through Bharat Parv. We saw how Bharat Parv was celebrated here, where senior dignitaries from Korea participated, where India showcased its cinema, culture and creativity. And also we are promoting our Waves Bazaar through Bharat Pavilion at the Busan International Film Festival, Asia Contents Film Market. And also here at the Seoul, we are having various meetings. We are going to have a community engagement also today. We are trying to showcase how India have made serious policy framework to improve co-productions, not with Korea, with the entire world. We are trying to show them that India is saying nowadays that come, make in India, come, we are making for the world. We have the best shooting locales, you can come. There are a lot of B2B meetings are happening, which is being led by MOS Dr. L. Murugan, where we're inviting them for International Film Festival of India, which is happening in November. And also how we can move forward when we talk about co-productions, because Korea is still trying to recover from the losses after the way COVID has hit the Korean industry really bad. So they are also looking forward for more collaborations, more co-productions and more cooperation with India, because India, as we know, is one of the largest film producing country right now. And the kind of Wave Bazaar we have launched, which is like an online e-marketplace to connect collaborators, investors, filmmakers, with the markets of entire world. So that's a great initiative by India, which we are trying to take forward.
All right. Of course, India will strengthen its cinematic ties and collaboration there. Thank you so much, Jaya, for all those details from Seoul.